Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm making a video after a long time. I was busy with my personal issues. Anyway, long story short, in this video I will show you how to recover your deleted photo from your Facebook. Sometimes like you don't like the picture, you just delete it, then you later on you said, oh, I should not have done it, and how can you retrieve that picture. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to do it, and I'll try to explain it as simple as possible. And one more thing I have to mention, keep in mind you can only recover your 30 days old photos. If it's more than 30 days, so it's gonna be deleted from the trash bin automatically. So please keep that in mind. You can only recover your 30 days old photos, not more than 30 days. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing you're going to do is you're just going to click on your profile picture, and then you're going to click on settings and privacy, and then click on activity log. Once you click in here, you're just going to scroll down and see the trash right here. Click on trash. So this is the picture. For example, just for like tutorial purpose, this is the picture I deleted like a while ago, and I'll show you how to restore it. To restore it, simply you just check that and then click on the right side, that three dots, and there are like three options. You can delete it like forever, or you can move it to your archive, or you can restore to your profile. So I'm going to restore to my profile. So just hit restore to profile, and you just see the message, items you restored to your profile can be seen by the audience that was selected before they were moved to trash. You just hit restore. That's it. So you're all done. So if you go back to your profile, then you'll see the picture in there. So I try my best to explain it as simple as possible. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below, and I'll try to answer each and every one. And I hope this video was like helpful and informative. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like and comments. Thanks for watching.